My husband wakes up early. My husband wakes up early. He starts his day with a smile. He starts his day with a smile. He prepares breakfast for us. He prepares breakfast for us. He makes sure everything's perfect. He makes sure everything's perfect. He leaves a note for me. He leaves a note for me. He heads to work with determination. He heads to work with determination. He works hard all day long. He works hard all day long. He helps his colleagues willingly. He helps his colleagues willingly. He brings joy to everyone. He brings joy to everyone. He returns home with a grin. He returns home with a grin. He surprises me with flowers. He surprises me with flowers. He listens to my stories attentively. He listens to my stories attentively. He supports me in every way. He supports me in every way. He cooks dinner for us. He cooks dinner for us. He loves experimenting in the kitchen. He loves experimenting in the kitchen. He tells me about his day. He tells me about his day. He shares his dreams and hopes. He shares his dreams and hopes. He's caring and compassionate. He's caring and compassionate. He's my pillar of strength. He's my pillar of strength. He makes every moment special. He makes every moment special. He's my best friend and partner. He's my best friend and partner. He wraps me in a warm hug. He wraps me in a warm hug. He whispers, "I love you." He whispers, "I love you." He's everything to me. He's everything to me.